What's up guys, today we got a Smart Parts Impulse. The Impulse came out, it's about 400 bucks, and in true Smart Parts fashion they had a whole myriad of add-ons that you could purchase. The one I've got today is a Toxic Impulse. Came with the LPR, went through, redid it, added the Blackheart board set to about 10 BPS, added the eyes, added the Numec detents, rebuilt the max flow, and saved the cap ASA, which had almost stripped out. The stock board was broken. Came in, the micro switch had been damaged. The trigger set screw was adjusted way too high. Added the trigger pin because it was missing it, and yeah, it's great now. Okay, back at it. Somebody warned me that there was a issue with current Duracells, and apparently that's what I just had. So, battery died. 285, 298, 291, 286, 288. Ready to rip. Eyes working. That's cool. You don't often get to see impulses like this shooting 10 BPS unless you have a sci-fi board or know what to do with these old boards. So here she is, Shock Tech Drop Cap ASA. Installed the Blackheart board with daughter board, Vision, Numec eyes, went through the LPR. Just ready to go. Thanks guys. I'll see you in the next one.